So, today, as you can see by my trade count, was a very bad day psychologically. Um, I kind of just fell apart. We are lucky to be up 200, and we're lucky to still have our Express account, if I'm being completely honest. Just really bad day overall. Um, so, coming into the day, I was bullish. I wanted to see this these draws basically get taken out. Um, so I kind of wanted to take a trade up to those highs, and if I'm being completely honest, I had the trade. Um, I just didn't take it for for some reason. Um, I don't know why. I got scared. Um, we have this 5 minute fair value gap right here. It is also a 15 minute fair value gap. So we had those two confluences, and after that, I just missed it. I mean, if you go to the 1 minute and go up here, just missed it. Just flat out tapped in, inverse fair value gap. Even right here, I mean, this is a great entry. We inverse it, we make bullish order flow, and then we tap into the fair value gap, take it to the highs. I mean, it's just a perfect entry I missed. But cool, whatever. Now, as soon as we swept these highs, I'm like, okay, I am bearish. I am bearish. I am looking for sells. Great draw on liquidity got hit. We need to sell off. So keep in mind, the normal times I trade normally are between 9:30 to 10:20 New York time. I was on the charts until about 11:30 today. That's how bad my psychology was. Like, it was really bad. Um, a little bit unfortunate because I've been doing good recently with locking myself out and stuff like that. Um, but yeah, I don't really know what happened today. But yeah, we sweep these highs. Um, I'm now basically looking for either a retracement to go higher because we actually never took out the highs on NQ. If you look here, um, we never swept out these highs. This was the high right here. Like it got so close, but we actually never swept it out. So that was the reasoning that I thought we were gonna go higher. Um, but we didn't. So now we start to reverse. I'm like, okay, where is an entry point? Where's a good entry point? I didn't really see anything on the 5 minute at all that I would take a trade on. But we had this right here, and this was a great trade that I missed out on. It was around this area of time. We had a bearish 1 minute fair value gap. Boom. Entry, stop loss above the fair value gap. The risk to reward on this trade would have been ridiculous. But I didn't get in. Cool. Doesn't really matter. And at this point, it is now, what, 11. Almost an hour past when I normally stop trading. We create this 1 minute order block. We create a so basically we create the 1 minute order block. We come out of it. We tap back into it right here. Um, and then off of this, I got into a short right here off of this retracement into the 1 minute fair value gap. And we took a partial at this low, and then I got stopped out for break even. So that was the first winning trade I took. So now we're up like $50 or something like that. Next trade, enter off this 1 minute fair value gap right here, get stopped out. So after that, I'm like, okay, I'm only down $80. Let me just re-enter into a trade. What do we have here? Fair value gap. We tapped into it right here, bought in right here, stop loss above here. Tried to get greedy, sold 4 contracts, and I lost like a quick $80 for no reason. And now I'm down like $80 for the day. So now I'm pissed. I'm like, I just was up $50. I didn't even want to take any trades, and now this happens. I'm pissed. Let's do something really stupid. So we did. We had this 5 minute fair value gap that I have marked out already, and we also had this 1 minute fair value gap. Off of this candle wick, tapping into it, I got in, as you can see right here. I don't even know what to say. Um, this is what made me the $200 today. I took a trade when we tapped in right here, and I wrote it down to here. And that's I mean, see. That is a 37-point move. Not bad. $200. Or it was like 280, I think. And I got lucky. Apparently there was tariff news. So it wasn't even skill. It was legit luck. Just a good time to trade. So I got very, very lucky today. Um, yeah, just really bad overall by me. I don't know what I was thinking, to be completely honest. I don't really know. I just a bad psychological day. I don't know what to say. For tomorrow, this is a great low to look at. Also, these perfect draws. Maybe look for some type of reversal off of those. But this one is the main one I'll probably be targeting tomorrow. We'll see what midnight does. But yeah, I mean, we are now up $1,000 on this account. And keep in mind, 2 weeks ago I talked about getting my first payout, and we're on track to do that. I mean, once we get up to $4,000, I'm gonna get my first payout of $2,000. Like I said on my notes, I spoke it into existence. So, again, also, real quick, we hit 100 people in the Discord. I just think that's freaking sick because I've only had the Discord for what? I don't know. Um, 2 weeks. But look, this number down here, 101. That's really cool. So if you guys do want to join the Discord, the link is in my bio. It's free, of course. All this good stuff and good things that you'll be looking at. Um, we have also a little bit of educational content place. But yeah, I mean, this is a really bad day. Am I happy I won? Yes. Am I happy by the day? No, because it was just really bad. Um, and I have to. I mean, I've never been on the charts this long before in my entire life trading. I've never been on for more than I was on from 8:30 to like 10:30. It was like 2 hours that I was on the charts. Actually, no. So like 11:30. So like it's just ridiculous. It was a really bad day. Like I should not have this many things drawn out on my graph. I should have the silver bullet time, 9 to 10. Nothing down here. But obviously, like one of the guys in Discord told me this. I'm a college basketball player if you guys don't know, but in trading, right now my rule is only to trade during the macro. But think about it like this way: if you're a basketball player trying to get better, do you only want to shoot free throws, or do you want to shoot the 3-point line, score more points? Do you want to shoot layups, get more points? Whereas in like trading, do you want to only trade during the macro and miss out on all these other trades? Do you want to trade pre-market, post-market, afternoon sessions? So I'm starting to expand my range, which I'm pretty excited about. I mean, we'll see what happens over here. But I mean, what I saw, what was happening, we swept the highs, we went lower. You could have caught a crazy move, um, if you saw it. But yeah, that was, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with the market. But again, free Discord is in my bio if you guys want to join. But this was my trade recap today. Don't even know how I saw my funded, but I'll take it. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.